Hello teachers, this is the instructional guide for primary 3 term 4 week 8. Okay, so for this week there are 2 booklets, and then you will also, in addition, you will administer one of those previous test papers or term review that you have not assigned yet, right? I believe the P3s have a few, and I realize that it has been inconsistent, right? The way that the assignments, or rather the assessments, have been given to P3. So please for your respective classes, look for the either topical test or term review, the earliest one, right, that has not been given, right? So that will be given as homework. Now, for the lesson, because it's heuristics, okay, so for book 1, I would suggest that during the entire class, right, during the entire duration, you take them through all the questions, okay? So from guided practice, right, all the way to even independent practice, demonstrate, right? Show them how to do it. Okay, so I think this should be just nice for a 1-hour class. Now, should you be able to complete everything right within 1 hour, please you may move on to the second booklet, which is on heuristic, right? But I doubt that you will be able to complete or rather move on to the second one. Even you do perhaps just a first few questions, in which case you can assign the rest of the booklet as homework. Now, in terms of teaching this, I'm not going to talk too much, but because I think that the answer key provided here is quite detailed. All right, so please study the answer key carefully and teach according to how the answer key intends for them to solve the questions. All right, so look through carefully, right? I think it's very detailed. So you should be able to make use of the answer key to teach them how to solve this question. Now for for booklet 2, as I mentioned, it is quite similar. So some repeated questions. So if, let's say, after you have completed the first booklet, you have a choice either to continue teaching with the second booklet, or if there are corrections, please get them to complete the corrections first. And I believe there are quite a number. Right, so get them to complete the corrections. If there's still time, then you can move on to this second booklet. Teach sequentially, and then the rest can be assigned as homework. Okay. Do take note. Yeah, right. So the third one, actually, what am I saying? The third one would be the test paper. Now, for the first booklet, even though it is completed at class, please allow them to bring home, so that they can make so-called reference to it when they are doing the second booklet. And that's it, right? To keep it simple for this week's material.